How to delete bank statements in Xero. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete bank statements in Xero. Now, before I move further, I want you to know that you can delete an entire bank statement as well as individual statement lines. You can also opt to delete any transactions the statement lines were recalled against. Okay, and you must note that any deleted bank statement cannot be restored. If you delete a statement in error, you need to manually import it again. Once that is established, let's go straight to the tutorial. Next thing to do is to open your Xero account. Once it is opened, as you can see here, in this menu you would see dashboard, business, accounting, project, etc. Ensure you select accounting. Once you select accounting, the menu will be displayed, and then in this menu, go ahead and select bank account. Once you select bank account, you will find the bank account you want to delete the bank statement from. Currently, I do not have a bank account added to my Xero account. That's why this place is empty. But for you, you should ensure that you have a bank account. So just go ahead, find the bank account you want to delete the bank statement from, then click manage account and select bank statement. After that, you will see some boxes pop up, and then select statement. Once you select statement, a list of statements will appear. Click the date of the statement you want to delete. All right, then once you've clicked it, click delete entire statement. Then delete entire statement is located at the bottom of the list of statement lines. Yes, at the bottom you'd see delete entire statement. Then you can just click on it and then the statement would be deleted. So quick and easy. Just follow these processes and then the statements will be deleted from your Xero account. Thanks for watching.